Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be changing the blades in the deck belt on my G110 John Deere Lawn Tractor. I picked up some blades and a new belt. Links will be in the description below if you're interested. Let's see. What do I got here? Picked up a new belt. Hopefully it's the right size. I think it is. And I got these blades .810 razor blades, and I got 3 because mine's a 54-inch deck, so I need 3 of them. Alrighty. So let's see if we can see what's underneath here. All right, 18 millimeter bolts. Okay. Let's see, what do they look like? They're not too bad. They're a little dull. But, so I just got to zip those off. I'm going to use the air ratchet and go from there. A little hot in the garage. All right, got the new blades on. Let's take a look. All right, there they are. Oh, 3 of them. And hopefully they got better. These blades weren't too bad. They're nicked up. But these blades are, I don't know, quite a few years old. All right, well, I'm going to drop the tractor down, and then we're going to do the deck belt. All right, so all I got to do now is take off this deck belt. There's a tensioner on there, and try to get this all on there. There we go. All right. Okay. All right, got the old belt off. Now let's try to get the new one on. That's always going to be the fun part. All right, so this needs to go like this, and then this is gonna go like that. Right? I think. Whew. Okay. Now this. Okay. Right. This. Right. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Got it on. There we go. Now next time I'll see how good it cuts. All right, welcome back. Now we're going to test out how the new mower deck belt is and the blades. Let's check this out. Let's see. Looks pretty good to me. All right, works good. I was afraid that new belt would slip because it's more of a plasticky feel than more of a rubber feel, but it's working good. No squeaking. So I think we're good for now. So if this kind of content interests you, please hit that subscribe button. Okay? Hit the thumbs up. Hit the bell so you're notified of when new videos come out. The links will be in the description below for the belt and the blades. Blades are universal. The belt is for the 54-inch deck. And leave a comment below. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.